Hello, today we're going to talk about how you can give user access of your Amazon Seller Central. My name is Arsalan Akram and I am the founder of iFix Amazon. So to give user access of your Amazon Seller Central to any person, you will have to firstly log into your Amazon Seller Central. Then from the home page, you will see on the top right section, there is a settings icon. You need to point your mouse on that icon and then the menu will appear. Scroll to user permissions, click on that. Now you will see this page, and if you scroll to the bottom of the page, you will see another option called add a new user. So now you will just have to add a name here and then email of the person. Then you will just need to click on invite, and after you click on the invite, there will be an invitation email that will be sent to the person. The email that will be received will look something like this. And after they click this confirmation link, user will be added into the current user section. After that, on the right side of this, you will see two options. One is manage permissions and manage global permissions. So basically, when they accept the invitation, the person will not get permissions to use your account. You will have to assign permissions of each and every role that you want him to do. So let's say if you want him to just look into your advertisement, you can just assign only that role. You don't have to give him access to the payments, the promotions. It's totally upon you to decide which permissions you want to give. Now you need to move towards manage permissions and select each permissions accordingly. So now there are three types of permission. One is none. If you will select this, no permissions will be given to the person for advertisement. And then there's a view only option. The third option, which is view and edit, which is the most useful one. Lastly, there will be an option called admin. And after you change the permissions, after you do that, you just will have to click on continue. And apart from that, there is a second permission role, which is called global permissions. This includes a specific side of permissions that are not included into the other permission section. So you will see the permissions that include our Amazon brand analytics, brand benefit eligibility, referral bonus, tailored programs, customer engagement, customer reviews, experiments, and try before you buy program, salary reward, subscribe and save, and these type of things. These are only available into the manage global permissions. And after that, you just need to click save and save changes, and it's all done. So now you have successfully learned how you can give user permissions. If you have any kind of questions, you can just ask me in the comment section, and I would really encourage you to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problems related to Amazon, and we are here to help, let us know. Go visit our website. We are available 24/7 to answer your questions, answer your inquiries. Thank you so much.